The 24th Imphal Book Fair was thronged by many book lovers who welcomed the idea that books were available here at 15% discount. The fair, which spanned for 10 days, was held at the Thangmei Band Athletic Union or Thau grounds. It was jointly organized by the State Central Library, Department of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur, and Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation of Kolkata. The Imphal Book Fair is an annual feature in the state since 1991. This year, 50 stalls, including 20 from outside the state, participated. The booksellers and elders regretted the declining interest in book reading among the youth.
Book fair to was na khoi chhatra sidu yam kana hale nungai je hai tare khoi store da phang da ba ngai su sida loi phange adagi discount loi bak tawe 50% 15% discount adum nungai mana amu tawi je khoi gi su yam na nungai jabani.
Generally we are having a book fair every year, but the essence of having a book fair is not like this. We have to pursue and we have to ask the people or students and the teachers to come to the book fair and feel the sense of having so many books here.
Guwahati, often termed as the gateway to the northeast, erupted with joy, burnt crackers and lit up buildings after being selected as one among the list of 20 cities of India which are to be transformed into smart cities under the central government's Smart City Mission. The Guwahati Municipal Corporation has actually taken opinion of the people to prepare its list of priority areas which it would work on for the city's transformation. A smart city is an urban region which is highly advanced in terms of overall infrastructure, sustainable real estate, communication and market viability, and Guwahati, which can already be called a metropolis, will certainly benefit if some problems like traffic congestion and annual floods are contained.
पोलिंग हुआ था पब्लिक के साथ हमारा जो कंसल्टेशन हुआ था उसमें हमारा टू थ्री एरियाज उसमें आए हुए थे। एक था हमारा जो ये ट्रैफिक कंजेशन, उसमें पीपल वोटेड फॉर द ट्रैफिक कंजेशन। देन स्टॉर्म वाटर प्रॉब्लम, आपको पता है गुवाहाटी में फ्लड का प्रॉब्लम होता है। देन गुवाहाटी में साइकिलिंग के लिए पेडेस्ट्रियन लेके कम जगह है, तो ये सब एरिया है। तो हमारा दीज आर सम की एरियाज और प्रायोरिटी एरियाज जो हमको अगर पैसा मिलेगा स्मार्ट सिटी होने के बाद, तो वी आर गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन दीज एरियाज।
The annual Surajkund Mela in Faridabad, Haryana always gives a wide scope to the artisans of the Northeast to sell their wares to lakhs of visitors. We met with some of the happy sellers from the Northeast.
The 30th Surajkund International Crafts Mela held at Faridabad, Haryana from the 1st to the 15th of February is beckoning lakhs of visitors every day. The theme of this year is Telangana. Besides different states from India, 23 countries including Afghanistan, Nepal, Pakistan, China and Japan participated in this fair.
I make handcraft biological herbs product for cosmetica, for face, for body, for hair, oil and soap, for olive oil biologic and vegetable oil biologic and water flower biologic. I make soap, I make cream, I make mask and oil massage and lotion for body, lotion for hair.
The fair was inaugurated by Haryana Chief Minister Shri Manohar Lal Khattar. The other dignitaries present at the inauguration ceremony were Union Railways Minister Suresh Prabhu, Union Tourism Minister Dr. Mahesh Sharma, Telangana Tourism Minister Azmeera Chandulal and other dignitaries. Starting with sterling performance by young girl dancers of Haryana who left a message to save and educate girl children. The first day witnessed a very enjoyable performance from Telangana artists. Besides Telangana artists who performed their traditional dances, foreign artists from Russia performed with musical instruments. Addressing the gathering, Railways Minister Suresh Prabhu said that the Indian Railway official website irctc.com is very popular and is now in the process of marketing handicrafts and details of artisans globally so that artisans have access to global markets for their products.
जो भी यहाँ पे हैंडीक्राफ्ट बनते हैं, हमारे जो भी कलाकार जो चीजें बनाते हैं, उसको मार्केट देने के लिए यहाँ पे आके स्टॉल तो लगाने की जरूरत है ही है। लेकिन मेला खत्म होने के बाद कैसे काम करेंगे? इसके लिए रेल का सबसे बड़ा जो पोर्टल है, जो आज देश में सबसे ज्यादा हिट उसको होती है आईआरसीटीसी का जो पोर्टल है, उसके द्वारा ई-कॉमर्स द्वारा हम ये कोशिश करेंगे कि जल्द से जल्द यहाँ के जो बनने वाले जो हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स है उसको विश्व का मार्केट मिले, और वो करने के लिए हम जल्दी उसका ऐलान करेंगे। हमारी योजना पूरी तरह से तैयार है और इसका लाभ मुझे विश्वास है कि सभी लोगों को मिलेगा और इससे कारण हमारी हैंडीक्राफ्ट पूरे विश्व को पता चलेगी और विश्व के हैंडीक्राफ्ट की भी पहचान हमारे देश में रहने वाले लोगों को होगी।
The Northeast was represented by many craftspeople. In the many stalls from Manipur, for instance, artisans sold the state's beautiful handloom items, including waistcoats, phonics, laisampi, bamboo and wood crafts, flowers made with bamboo, black pottery utensils and other items. Nearby, one found Sikkimese artisans selling the state's handmade tankas, embroidered bags, kurtas and traditional dresses. Lone Lady artisan from Nagaland displayed colorful, lovely artificial flowers and beautiful Naga shawls, shoes, socks, woolen caps, and also made brisk business as always. The artisans from Assam displayed bamboo crafts, lamps, and bags in their stalls.
स्टेट अवार्ड आर्टिस्टिक ट्राइबल टेक्सटाइल में मिला है और मेरा प्रोडक्ट से आर्टिस्टिक ट्राइबल टेक्सटाइल एंड ड्राई फ्लावर बहुत सामान डिस्प्ले किया हुआ है, ड्राई फ्लावर भी और आर्टिस्टिक ट्राइबल टेक्सटाइल भी। और ये मैं मतलब लास्ट ईयर भी आया, पब्लिक रिस्पांस तो बहुत अच्छा है, इसलिए इस बार दिस टाइम भी आया हुआ है।
I came to this Surashkunj Mela with lots of difficulties, especially in the northeast. There are lots of banned because of the insurgency problem, but with the help of the government paying us the fare for coming and going, we don't have so much problem. We are so grateful for all those assistance. Here we brought some of the product from Manipur, which is a serpentinite stone, and we grind that stone and we made a pottery.
सिक्किम से सिक्किमीज हैंडीक्राफ्ट बैम्बू प्रोडक्ट लेके आए और ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेसेस ऑफ सिक्किम भी यहाँ लेके आए सूरजकुंड इंटरनेशनल मेला में। यहाँ पे आके बहुत अच्छा लगा। लास्ट ईयर भी मैं यहाँ आया था, तो इस टाइम भी मुझे लास्ट ईयर से भी अच्छा लगा यहाँ आके।
Actor and brand ambassador of Haryana Tourism, Dharmendra, urged everyone to involve with tourism sector which could thrive and wipe out problems of drugs and terrorism from our society.
अगर हम सब मिलके हुकूमत का साथ दें, ये ड्रग्स, माफिया, क्राइम, टेररिज्म, कट्टरपंथी, अनपढ़ता, गुर्बत का खात्मा करें। अपने अपने गांव में जब जाएं तो बच्चों को समझाइए। जिस दिन इस पे काबू आ गया ना, इस देश में बाढ़ आ जाएगी टूरिज्म की। मेरी तरफ से मैं आपसे प्रार्थना करता हूँ, इस चीज़ को अपने गांव में, घर में, दोस्तों में, यारों में इस तरह से बात कीजिए कि वो भी ये सोच लें कि ये इन चीज़ों को हमने ख़त्म करना है।